started the first lesson of literature book, that is Kali and the Rat Snake. In that, I have already told you that Kali was a boy who used to live in the tribe and his father was a snake catcher. Okay, and he didn't like school, but still he had to go to school. That is what we have learned. And one more thing, he had not made any of the classmates as his friends. From last 2 months, he was going to school, but still he didn't have a good friend to sit and have a company with. So now we will move ahead of it. Come up on page number 10. Kali reached the school bus as the bell was ringing. As usual, he sat in the back row alone, wishing he had friends. Okay. Now, Kali was very lonely in school. Okay, and he reached in the school when the bell rang. And as usual, he sat on the last bench, wishing he could fail and be thrown out of school. But failing wasn't easy. He had tried, but however badly he wrote his lessons, the teacher was always happy with him. Okay, and this boy never liked school. Okay, and he thought if he gets failed in the class, if he gets failed in any subject, then he will be thrown out, he will be removed from the school. But it was not easy for Kali because Kali was very smart boy, he was intelligent as well, and many a times he had tried, but his teachers, rather than scolding him, used to appreciate his writing work. Okay, that was the quality of this Kali. This morning they had maths and writing, and then it was break time. The children rushed outside to have their snacks. Some had idli, others had mixture, a slice of bread or two, or three biscuits. Okay, and then when the school started, firstly they had maths class and then writing, and then it was the break time. Okay, everyone rushed out to have their lunch. Okay, some of them had brought idli, some of them had brought bread and butter, that kind of thing, or some had brought even biscuits. Okay, Kali opened his tiffin boxes. Oh no, fried termites, his favorites actually. But what if someone saw? Okay, now Kali also opened his tiffin box. Oh, there he saw that he had brought fried termites. See, children, termites is a kind of a insect. Okay, that few peoples in the foreign countries and other seafood kinds of thing is being considered as termites. Okay, so Kali had brought fried termites, and actually Kali used to like that termites, eating that termites very much, but he was afraid having it in school, and he was afraid if someone saw that what he had brought up in the lunch box. For that reason, he was little bit afraid. He would have to hide. He sat on the wall far away from all others and finished his tiffin. Okay, then what happened? He had to hide. Usko chupna pada. So what he did? Next to the window or next to the wall, he went and sat there and had his lunch. Termites didn't taste as good here as at home. Suppose someone comes near me. Suppose someone asks what I have brought. Okay, and Kali was like thinking that termites taste tasty at home. Okay, whereas they are not so tasty in school, they are not tasting good here. Okay, and he was having the fear that if someone comes near him and sees what he has brought in tiffin, or someone asks what he have brought in lunch box, so what answer he would give? That is why he was a little bit scared. Kali worried. The bell rang. Break was over. It was the same teacher but another subject, English. They had to write the English alphabet on their slates. Okay. Now finally lunch break got over, the bell rang, and now again the same teacher came up, maths teacher. But now she came up with another subject, that is now she was going to teach up an English subject. Okay, and they were supposed to write English alphabets on the slate. See children, you are knowing slate. Slate यानी वो black color का जो आता है पुरानी. You asked you if you are knowing party. Okay, in Marathi we called it as party. Okay, so that is where you use, just like our board, chalk has to be used. Okay, so notebooks are not being used in rural areas or in village or in tribal areas. Okay, pages are not there, notebooks, they don't get it, they just buy with a slate and write over it. So they were being asked to write alphabets, English alphabets over it. Teacher walked around the room with a stick, hitting the hands that made bad mistakes. Lucky, thought Kali. Lucky they could make the teacher angry. And now the teacher was walking through the in between the rows and she was having a stick. Those who were writing it badly, they used to get hit on their hand. Okay, actually that was a punishment which is there. Okay, so now Kali was little bit happy. Kali thought, this, if I write it in bad handwriting, this could make the teacher angry and she can remove me from school. That was what was cooking inside Kali's mind. And then Kali stood, he too would try and make a mess of his slate. Teacher stood in front of Kali, but instead of a switch of the stick, he got a pat on the back. Teacher held up Kali's slate for the class to see. Okay. Now, Kali also thought he would also write it badly. He would also write badly the English alphabets on the slate, and then he would also get beating from the teacher. Okay. But this teacher stood in front of Kali. Okay. And instead of getting a switch of the stick, okay, stick se marne se jagah, what happened? The teacher gave a patting. Patting means shabash ki. Peeth pe Kali ke shabash ki teacher ne. And she held up, she took up the slate and showed it in front of everyone. See, this is the way how we should write. That is what the teacher told to all other students. Here, this is the sort of work I want to see from everyone, he said. And the teacher said, see, have a look at everyone. This is what I want. This is what type I want. Everyone should try to write it like this. Now the others would hate him more than ever. Kali could hear the whispering in the classroom. He would never have friends in school. And you are knowing that when someone has been appreciated, there are some jealous persons sitting up in the class who don't feel good about it that the teacher is appreciating. Is it not, children? So that is what happened in Kali's class also. Now the other students in class started hating him, started disliking him more, and they were whispering. That means they were speaking very slowly in the ears of others. Okay, he would never have, and that is what made a thought come up in Kali's mind that now he will never have friends in this school. Just then, something happened in the room. At first, Kali didn't understand. Arms and legs flew, bodies ran, trampled over each other, fell, ran somewhere. There were shouts from all directions. And when this thing was going, there happened to be something very drastic. Something accident kind of thing happened. What happened? See, that's the suspense here. What happened? Something happened in the classroom. Something went wrong in the classroom. At first, Kali didn't understand. At first, what was happening? Kali didn't understand. Why? Because what was happening? All were scared. All students were scared. Their arms and legs, they started running. Okay? Their bodies ran. They started running. They trembled. एक दूसरे के ऊपर में गिरना चालू हो गए. They fell. And then still, they kept on running. And they were shouting also. Help, help, teacher, help. But teacher was understated. Eyes and ears pointing to the ceiling. Now Kali understood. Okay, and these children started shouting that teacher, please help us. Okay, but the teacher was of no use over there. Teacher first and foremost hide under the table. Okay, and now everyone was pointing towards the ceiling fan. Okay, now Kali understood what actually was wrong in the classroom. There on the roof was a large rat snake. It must have smelt the rats on the roof tiles and come after them. By mistake, it had taken a wrong turn and come to class instead. Now what was happening? On the ceiling, what is there? What was there? There was a rat snake. Okay. On the roof, there was a large rat snake. Okay. And that is what Kali is thinking. The rat snake must have smelled that the rats are there, and that is why it had turned on the roof. Okay, and come there, and by mistake what must have happened? It has taken up a wrong turn into the classroom instead of going the other way. Okay, children, till this, did everyone understand? I hope you must have understood till this. That's all for today. Do read up with the lesson.